Why do operations teams resist production simulation results? Imagine trying to change the way a busy factory runs, but the team hesitates or pushes back. That's often what happens when production simulation results are introduced. Let's explore why this resistance occurs and how to address it. First, many operations teams question if the simulation models truly reflected real factory conditions. Since simulations are virtual, they might miss small but important details like unexpected machine breakdowns or supply chain delays. If the team doubts the accuracy, they may ignore or dismiss the results. This skepticism grows if the simulation inputs are unclear or if the team isn't involved in creating the model. Second, there's often a fear that new simulation recommendations will disrupt familiar routines. Experienced workers trust their current processes and worry that changes could cause delays or reduce quality. They might see the simulation suggestions as too idealistic or impractical, especially if they've been working a certain way for years. This resistance is natural because people prefer stability and predictability. Third, running and understanding production simulations requires specific skills. Operations teams may not be trained in digital twins or discrete event simulation, which are common in Industry 4.0. Without proper training, they might feel overwhelmed or unsure about how to interpret the results. If they don't trust their ability to understand the data, they're less likely to act on it. Fourth, organizational issues can also block acceptance. If management doesn't support simulation projects, or if departments don't communicate well, teams may see simulations as just another outside effort. Without clear leadership and collaboration, the results can seem disconnected from daily work. In the context of Industry 4.0 and digital transformation, production simulation can help identify bottlenecks, test new layouts, and plan alternative scenarios. It can save time and money by reducing trial and error on the shop floor. But for these benefits to happen, operations teams need to be involved early, understand the assumptions behind the models, and receive training to build confidence. Demonstrating real improvements through pilot projects can also help build trust. Ultimately, resistance often comes from doubts about the accuracy of models, fears of change, lack of skills, and organizational hurdles. Overcoming these barriers is key to unlocking the full potential of digital twins and simulation in smart factories. When teams see the tangible benefits and feel included in the process, they become more open to trusting and using simulation results to improve manufacturing.